What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm out here in beautiful Knoxville, Tennessee, checking out some of the local spots. And if you're new to the area, you definitely got to stop by and check these spots out as well. And my weapon of choice today, the Yume X11 Plus. It's going to be getting me all over town. I want you to come along for the ride with me. Alright, our first stop today on the list is Iams Nature Center, and it's absolutely my favorite stop ever since I first found it here when I first moved to Tennessee. This area spans 315 acres. It has forests, meadows, wetlands, and creeks. They also do hiking, biking, paddling, climbing, educational programs, all kinds of things here. We've got a really nice visitor center when you come in. We've got really nice clean restrooms. They've got a gift shop. They've also got a spot where you can get some snacks and refreshments, which is really handy on these hot summer days. We've also got this really cool little nature center, and it's got snakes, it's got different kinds of fish, and it's even got this little guy here. Hey little guy, what's up? Oh. And then outside you've also got this nature pond. Around back they've also got trails and everything that take you all the way down to the Tennessee River. Yeah, so heading out of Iams Nature Center is going to be the longest leg of our journey. It's going to be a good mix between greenways that surround all of Iams Nature Center. We're going to be cutting through a couple neighborhoods, and then we're eventually going to be getting out onto some streets and traveling with traffic. What a beautiful view coming across Henley Street Bridge. Check out that view of Knoxville. Alright, now let's head on inside this welcome center. See what they got in here. And so here we've got the Knoxville Welcome Center, and it is located at 301 Gay Street. Now this place is mostly like a Knoxville gift shop. It's got plenty of Knoxville merch. Some local stuff that you could purchase with Knoxville plastered all over it. It's also got some, maybe some postcards, and over in the corner it has some brochures, as well as some free Wi-Fi and some coffee. After leaving the Welcome Center, it's just a short trip down the street over to Market Square, the claimed center of downtown Knoxville. Market Square, huh? All kinds of rich stuff going on around here. Now, Market Square was pretty quiet the day that I was there. Now, however, they do host all kinds of special events here. They even do an ice skating rink there in the middle of winter. And it's mostly just restaurants and bars, and some even got really nice rooftop balconies. Leaving from Market Square, we head over to one of the most scenic spots in all of Knoxville, and that's World's Fair Park. This place was built in 1982. What a good year. And this park is absolutely gorgeous. It's got everything from fountains, got mural paintings on the walls, kids park. There's also an outdoor amphitheater that I'm pretty sure you can't ride scooters through. And of course, you've got the Sun Sphere. And from up here on the observation deck, you get a great 360 view of all of Knoxville. And it's enough to make you a little bit queasy. They've also got some unique things from what was popular going on in the world in 1982. It's definitely worth a stop for sure. Now, for our last little bit of the ride, we're going to be leaving out of World's Fair Park. We're going to be riding through the UT campus area. We're going to get down to the Tennessee River. Just couldn't ask for a clearer day to roll into here. Sun shining, people enjoying it. What a day and what a ride. That's it, guys. Finishing up our tour of Knoxville, Tennessee, out here at the beautiful Volunteer Landing on such a beautiful sunny day. Overlooking the Tennessee River out there. Hope you guys enjoyed the sights, and don't forget to like and subscribe because I got plenty more adventures that I'm going out on, especially out on the Yume X11. So stay tuned, guys. Till the next time, thanks.